What's going on YouTube? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is the Speck Presidio grip. Let's check it out. So back in the background, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, got it waiting. And this I just got in from Speck. This is the Presidio grip. This is the case I have for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, designed for impact, 13-foot drop tested, Note 10 Plus. Let's see if we can get it approved. Now, a few features about this case. It's got a durable outer shell. It has inner impactium layer. It's going to absorb that shock if you do drop it. Has raised bezels. We'll test that out. Has a lifetime bacteria product protection from the leader in antimicrobial technology. Say that 3 times fast. In a nutshell, it's going to protect this against bacteria. So it's great for me because if you guys know me, you know I work in a hospital. I use my phone a lot in the hospital, and hopefully this is able to keep the germs down. I'm not going to be able to tell because I'm not going to put this under a microscope, and I'm not going to send it to a lab to get swabbed. So I kind of just have to take their word for it. And it has a non-slip grip. It's designed for gaming and selfies. So hopefully that will feel good in my hands. Like I said, lifetime warranty on this case. I'm going to drop a link below so you can check it out for yourself. Let's go ahead and get it out first. Oh, you get a little message back there. This case was built for the uh-oh moments in life. Drop away, you're covered. Sit that down. Let's check this out. Right away, in my hands, I can tell you it feels really good. Does not feel heavy, does not feel bulky at all. It fits this thing like a glove. It's pretty much a tank. Hard rubberized, it's grippy. It doesn't even slide across the table. There we go. Doesn't move when I slide it. So awesome. Grips do work. Let's make sure everything lines up though. Down at the bottom, all of our ports look good. Plenty of space for me to get that S Pen out. Great. Remember, nothing on this side. Buttons over here, nice and tactile, nice and clicky. Like it. Everything up here, precise. I mean, precise to the T, matches up. It's awesome. Back here on the camera, there we go. No issues with that camera. Sits down, it even disappears behind that hole. And right here, boom and boom. So when you drop that on that surface, no issues, nothing's gonna happen except that. So guys, this is a pretty solid case, pretty solid buy. You need this to protect this expensive device. It's gonna be great protection. You get your Speck logo right up here in the corner. It's a great little device. I'm really liking it. I may have to go pick up some more colors of that. This case right here is going to run you about 44 bucks, but I think it is well worth the investment because you got to protect that device. Next thing we want to do, wireless charging. I got a Samsung fast wireless charger here. It's upside down, but it's the best way for me to hold it right now. Slap that on. Boom. Fast wireless charging is on deck. It's a go. So all in all, this is a pretty solid case, guys. I recommend this case. I have no issues. It fits like a glove. It hugs it. It has nice grips. This may be my go-to. Just maybe my go-to. I can't say I got a lot of cases to go through, but this one feels really good in my hand right now. So I'll drop that link below so you can go and check this out for yourself. Remember, this is the Speck Presidio grip for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Go check you out one. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.